Hey there! Today, I'll show you how to edit photos using Canva. Canva is an incredibly easy to use tool that's perfect for both beginners and experienced designers. Today, I'll walk you through how to upload and edit photos, adjust brightness and contrast, add filters, and more. By the end, you'll be ready to create stunning edits for your photos. Let's dive in. Step 1. Getting started with Canva. Log into Canva. Head to canva.com and log in or create an account if you don't have one already. Canva's free version has plenty of tools, but you can also use the pro version for extra features. Select a custom size or template. Once you're logged in, you can either start a blank project or pick a preset size, like Instagram post or Facebook cover. Choose one that fits your needs. Step 2. Uploading your photo. Go to the Uploads tab on the left sidebar and click Upload Files. Find the photo you want to edit and upload it. Your photo will appear in the Uploads section. Now click on the uploaded photo to add it to your canvas. Adjust the size by dragging the corners to make it fit within your desired layout. To access adjustments, click on your photo, then select Edit Image option in the toolbar above. To adjust brightness and contrast, use the brightness slider to make your image lighter or darker. Adjust the contrast slider to enhance the difference between the light and dark areas. Tip: small adjustments here can make a big difference, so try moving each slider slowly to see what's look best. To fine-tune saturation and tint, increase this saturation to make colors more vibrant or decrease it for a more muted look. For tint, it adds color tone to your photo. You can play around with it for creative effects, especially for themed or stylized looks. Step 4. Adding filters. Choose a filter. Scroll down in the Edit Image menu to find Canva's built-in filters. Click on a filter to apply it to your photo. Customize the filter intensity. After choosing a filter, adjust its intensity using the slider. Lower intensity gives a more subtle effect, while higher intensities can transform the image entirely. The recommended filters for these one is the Summer for warm tones, Nordic for cool tones, and Retro for vintage looks. Step 5 is adding effects. Explore photo effects. In the Edit Image menu, you'll find various effects such as duotone, glitch, and pixelate. Select an effect to see how it changes the image. Using duotone lets you apply two colors to your image. Pick colors that complement your theme, like warm pinks or cool blues. Adjust intensity and colors to create unique visuals. Blur and vignette. Blur adds a soft and focused effect, useful for creating backgrounds or a dreamy look. Vignette darkens the edges of your photo, drawing focus to the center. Adjust the intensity to make it subtle or strong. Step 6. Cropping and rotating. To crop your image, select your image and click Crop. You'll be able to adjust the cropping area manually or select preset aspect ratios. To rotate and flip, you can Also, rotate or flip your image using the controls at the top. Rotate for slight adjustments or flip horizontally or vertically to create a mirror effect. Here are my tips for cropping. Cropping can completely change the photo's composition. For portraits, keep the subject in the center. For scenic photos, try following the rule of thirds for a more balanced look. Step 7. Adding texts and overlays. To add a text, go to the Text tab and choose between heading, subheading, or body text. Canva offers a variety of fonts. Choose one that fits your image's mood. To customize the text, adjust the font, size, color, and spacing. Experiment with bold or italic styles for emphasis. Use overlays. Go to the Elements tab to add shapes or graphics. Place a shape behind the text to make it stand out more. Adjust the transparency by clicking on the overlay and using the transparency slider. To position text and overlays, use the Position tool to align elements. Proper alignment can give your photo a more professional look. Step 8. Removing backgrounds. Select a background remover. Background remover is available for Canva Pro users. Select your image, then go to Image and click Background Remover, or simply click on the photo and select Background Remover. Next is refine the background removal. Canva usually does a great job, but if needed, use the Erase and Restore tools to fine-tune edges. This feature is great for creating product shots or isolated portraits. Step 9. Adding frames and borders. To add frames, go to Elements and search for frames. Click to add a frame to your canvas, then drag your image into the frame. Frame helps give your photo a polished look, especially on social media. To add a simple border, select a photo, go to Elements, and choose a square or rectangular shape to sit behind the photo. Adjust its size and color to create a border effect. Step 10. Saving and exporting. Once your edits are complete, click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Canva offers multiple formats. JPEG is great for web use, while PNG is ideal for higher quality images. For a smaller file size, adjust the quality slider. If you're printing, consider using PDF or high-quality PNG. Canva also lets you save projects to specific folders. Organize your edits into folders if you plan to revisit or update them later. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit photos using Canva. From basic adjustments to creative effects, Canva offers everything you need to make your photos look fantastic. Whether it's for social media, a project, or personal use, these tools will help you create standout images. Thanks for watching and happy editing!